Welcome back. Guess the helping verb. Is or are. Quiz time. Let's go. Guess the helping verb. Guess the helping verb. Is or are. The police. Are. The police are. The police are. Guess the helping verb. Guess the helping verb. The swimming team. The swimming team. Is. The swimming team is. The swimming team is. Guess the helping verb. Guess the helping verb. Mathematics. Mathematics. Mathematics is. Mathematics is. Next one. Guess the helping verb. Guess the helping verb. The policeman. The policeman. The policeman is. The policeman is. Is or are. Is or are. $100. $100. Guess the helping verb. $100 is. $100 is. Next one. Guess the helping verb. Guess the helping verb. 10 years, a long time. 10 years, a long time. Guess the helping verb. Guess the helping verb. If you chose is, you're correct. 10 years is a long time. 10 years is a long time. Guess the helping verb. Guess the helping verb. Good job. Next one. Is or are. Is or are. The price for one pair of pants, a lot. The price for one pair of pants, a lot. Is or are. Is or are. If you guessed is, correct. The price for one pair of pants is a lot. The price for one pair of pants is a lot. Good job. Let's go. Next. Is or are. Is or are. All of the deer eating. All of the deer eating. Guess the helping verb. Guess the helping verb. Good. If you chose are, all of the deer are eating. All of the deer are eating. Are. Next one. Is or are. Is or are. There, a deer eating grass. There, a deer eating grass. Guess the helping verb. Guess the helping verb. If you chose is the correct answer. There is a deer eating grass. There is a deer eating grass. Good job. Let's go. Is or are. Is or are. The use of cell phones and chargers prohibited. The use of cell phones and chargers prohibited. Is or are. Is or are. Guess which one? If you chose is the correct answer. The use of cell phones and chargers is prohibited. The use of cell phones and chargers is prohibited. Good job. Good job. Is or are. Is or are. 2 plus 2, 4. 2 plus 2, 4. Guess the helping verb. Guess the helping verb. Go for it. If you chose is correct. 2 plus 2 is 4, or 2 plus 2 equals 4. 2 plus 2 is 4. Good job. Let's move on. Is a R. Is a R. Mice. Friendly animals. Mice. Friendly animals. Guess the helping verb. Guess the helping verb. Mice are friendly animals. Mice are friendly animals. If you chose R, you're correct. If you chose R, you're correct. Let's move on. Ready? Let's go. Is a R. Is a R. One of my friends coming. One of my friends coming. Which one? Guess the proper answer. If you chose is correct. One of my friends is coming. One of my friends is coming. Good job. Let's move on. Great. Guess the helping verb. Good job. You've made it this far. Let's keep going. Ready? The news, not good. The news, not good. Guess the helping verb. Guess the helping verb. If you chose is, you got it correct. The news is not good. The news is not good. Ready? Let's go. Next one is a R. Is a R. Fish and chips. My favorite meal. Fish and chips. My favorite meal. Guess which one? Guess which one? Fish and chips is my favorite meal. Fish and chips is my favorite meal. Good job. Let's go. Ready? Is a R. Is a R. My sunglasses missing. My sunglasses missing. This one's a no-brainer. You can get this with your eyes closed. Guess the helping verb. Guess the helping verb. If you chose R, you're correct. My sunglasses are missing. My sunglasses are missing. Great. Comment your scores down below. Thanks for watching this video.